Hello, dear friends. Welcome to my another lesson YouTube video. Here we are doing mathematics, and remember, this is lesson 3 of index notation. Here I told you in lesson 2 that lesson 3 will just be of standard ECZ exam questions. And these are few that I've picked from 2019, 2018, and 2017. So, dear ones, I expect you to pay a particular attention and learn how to apply now those concepts you have learned in lesson 1, lesson 2 into these examination questions. Okay, let's start without wasting much of our time. Solutions. Let's write solutions here of these questions. Okay, question number 1. We start with question number 1. They're saying find the value of 4 to power 2 plus 5 to power 0. Okay, now let's see if you remember the power index. Okay, this is what now we talk over the zero index. We have the zero index, and also we have a number raised to a power 2 here. Okay, so now let us see, this 4 is raised to power 2. So this simply means 4 times 4 plus 5 raised to power 0. Any number raised to power 0 according to the zero index is equal to what? 1. Okay, good. What is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17. Hence, we have worked the first question. So this is how we work question number 1. It's very simple when you know the basic, when you know the laws of indices. Then question number 2, let us come to question number 2, which is simply saying simplify. Now this, of course, it is the quotient rule. You can see we are using division here. There will be things with the same bases. B to the power 4 and C to the power 2 over 3 to the power A to the power 2. A and A, these are the same base. B and B, these are the same base. C to the power 2, these are the same base. Okay, so how can I simplify this one? First of all, I need to divide these two. 3 into 15 can go. How many times 3 there? 1. 3 into 15, 5 times. Okay, so now I can now come and have the work, which is 5. Okay. Now see the way this is. This and this, the base is the same. So I need to do is to maintain the base and subtract the power. So it will simply go. It's simply going to be a 2. 3 minus 2. Again, I come to the next one, which is of course b, which is b there. 4 minus 1, any number, if there is no any base index there, just know it's raised to power 1. Then I come to C there, it will be 2 minus 2. Okay, 2 minus 2. Now, here, what you may ask, but where is the division sign? If I write like this, it means that I'm writing it in a division way. But what is dividing this is a multiplication sign. There's an invisible multiplication here. Okay. Once I do like this, I've divided, but we are applying the quotient rule so that things become easy. So it will be 5 there, times, of course we can maintain the times. A, 3 minus this one, we have A to the power what? 1, times. B there, 4 minus 1, we have B to the power 3, times. C, we maintain C, 2 times that one, we have 0 there. And now we can simplify any number raised to power 0, it is 1, any letter or variable. So we have 5, A, B to the power 3, and this one is just going to be 1. So this will be our final answer like that. Have you seen? Or if you want, you can do the division. You can say A into, here there are 3 A's, here there are 2 A's. Expand this by simply saying 5 multiplied by A times A times A times, okay, that is all. Times B times B times B times B times C times C. Then you are going to also expand the down one, which is A times B times C times C. Now you can divide by simply cancelling. A there goes 1 and A there goes 1, A there goes 1, B there goes 1, C there and C there. As you can see, we have cancelled all the C's. We are just remaining with 5. So in this scenario, my answer will just be 5. How many A's are here? We have 1A there, we write 1A. What is B times B? B times B, it is B squared. And that will be the final answer. You see that? This answer and this answer, there is b times b squared times 3 there. This answer and this answer is the same. But here we have applied the quotient rule. Here we have just done the expansion, which we do it like that. But whichever way you use, you find your answer correct. This is how you answer this question. Let us move on to question number 3. Question number 3, it is simply saying 20 x to the power 4 divided by negative 5 to the power negative 5x. So how we worked out this question by using the quotient rule. That is how we are going to work out this one, by using the quotient rule as well. So what are we doing here? We are simply saying how many times can negative 5 go into 20? Okay, so how many times can negative 5? So negative 5 into negative 5 is 1. Negative 5 into 20 to be negative what? 4. Okay, it will be negative 4. So that now we have this x and this x, they are the same. So we maintain the base, so it will be negative 4 times, maintain the base which is x, then 4 minus 1. So it will be negative 4x to the power 3. That will be our answer like that. We work it out like that. So you do it like that. If you want, you can expand the x values. Let x be 4 times like we did here. X, and then in x just cancel 1x. You are going to have 3x remaining. And you are going to 5 into negative 5 into there, it will be negative 4x to the power 3. And you are done with your way. That is how you answer this question. Then question number 4. Okay, question number 4 there. We have evaluate negative 4 to power 2 plus 2 to power 3. Remember, this is the power index. Any number that is not raised to any power, it is always automatically raised to power 1. So here we just have to know that there is an invisible 1 there. So this is the power rule, where we have to multiply 1 times 2 to get my final answer. Okay? Now, in other words, here what it means also is like this. Look at this one. Anything that is inside the brackets, as long as it's raised to power, then it means that that thing is also raised to power. So this negative is raised to power 2. And this 4 is also raised to power 2. Okay? That is what this simply means. So what you are going to work out, how you work out this one, you are simply going to say, negative 2, let us expand this by simply saying, negative is also raised to power 1, and this is power 1. So negative, when you are doing this, you say negative 1 times 2. Again, we have the big times 4. We have 1 times 2. Then plus, this is simply like 2 times 2 times 2. Okay. Now look at this. 1 times 2, the final answer is negative 1 to power 2 times 1 times 2, the final answer is 4 to power 2. But this side to be plus. What is 4 times 2 times 2? 4 times 2, 8. So we have 8 there. Now, negative raised to power 2, this simply means negative times negative times 4 times 4 plus 8. What is negative times negative? Remember, we looked at this in grade 7. Negative times negative, what is the answer? The answer is positive. Then 4 times 4, the answer is what? 16. Plus 8. Positive times positive, what is the answer? The answer is 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8, what is the answer? We are going to say 16, let's use our fingers, let us not play smart here. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So my answer will be 24. And you are done with your solutions. So this concept is very important for you to know. If you apply it correctly, you are not going to have any problem. But if you do it wrongly, you are going to have a lot of problem. So I would advise you to write these questions in your book and attempt on your own and solve as many questions as possible. And you shall find that grade 9 is very simple as drinking water. Hopefully I've made this lesson very easy for you. Watch over and over and copy the notes, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment and share the video if you want your friend to also progress. Those of you who are not who are friends who don't know my YouTube channel, please just send them my link, or just tell them to search for Elvis Rwanda, and they'll be able to find my link and connect with me. Thank you very much. God bless. Enjoy the rest of the time.